I thought it would be fun today to talk about some of the meanings in the tarot deck. I grabbed the King of Cups because currently it is absolutely my favorite card in the deck. So kind of give a good look here. He is on a stone throne. We're going to talk about the fish, and we're going to talk about the little Mayflower ship over here. So let's talk about personality traits. This king is compassionate. He's generous. He's loyal. He's sensitive. He's considerate, wise, sophisticated, diplomatic, a great listener, gives great advice. He's emotionally balanced, and that peace is obtainable. That's what I know when I see this card. Your peace can be obtained. So he sits on a stone or concrete throne in the middle of the ocean. His sheer will and determination gets things done. You will be able to reach your goals and get through tough times by your sheer will and determination. All right. The other thing over here is we have the little fish that talks about surprises. Surprises aren't always a bad thing. And then we have the little ship. If we look over here, there's a little ship that's kind of tilted over. When I see this, when my eye gets real focused in, what I always tell people is, listen, the ship is built to bend and sway in the ocean. Sometimes that ship is going to lay down on its side, but it's always going to stand back up. It's always going to right itself. And that's what you need to know about this card. I'm curious, what jumps out when you look at this card for you? What is the one thing that you were like, I need to know about that?